Well, we found the apex predator on the island, and it's a female reticulated python. God, she's strong. This female's probably about a good 35 kilos. I think she's already snapped my sunglasses, and she's getting pretty tight in my neck here. But she's an incredibly healthy specimen, man. She's really thick, really heavy, and very, very well fed. And that's testament to the abundance of food on this island, because the macaques are eating all the shellfish and sea life, as well as the wild food that grows in the canopy and such. But I can see above her left eye here, she's got a scar from my guess would be she had a tussle with a macaque at some point. Macaques have got those big incisors, about 1.5 inches long, the bigger males, and that is quite a dangerous implement when deployed against a snake. So if you ever saw this girl attack a macaque, what you would find is she would quickly wrap her body around the macaque, but just as quickly get her head out of the action. She would normally tuck it into her body and hide it, because that's the most vulnerable part. If they lose their eyes, that's the end of their life generally. So she's got one good eye left. Well, I think we're gonna let her go. I just couldn't help myself though. When I saw such a magnificent creature, I couldn't not say hello and have a little cuddle with her.